In the bustling streets of a small coastal town, a young archaeologist named Amelia Davis stumbled upon an ancient scroll at a local flea market. As she unrolled it, she discovered an intricate map that pointed to a place unknown to modern civilization, the lost city of shadows. The map was said to hold the key to untold treasures and mysteries. Intrigued by the possibility of a forgotten civilization, Amelia embarked on a daring adventure to uncover the truth behind the lost city. She assembled a team of experts, a renowned historian, a fearless guide, and a tech-savvy engineer to aid her in this perilous journey. Equipped with the map and an insatiable curiosity, the team embarked on a treacherous expedition deep into uncharted territory. They traversed dense jungles, crossed treacherous rivers, and climbed treacherous mountains, facing numerous challenges along the way. As they delved deeper into the wilderness, they encountered ancient traps, riddles, and obstacles left behind by a long-lost civilization. Their determination and teamwork allowed them to overcome these hurdles, inching closer to the fabled lost city with each passing day. Finally, after weeks of arduous trekking, the team reached a hidden valley where the lost city of shadows lay shrouded in mystery. The city, once teeming with life, now stood eerily silent and forgotten. They explored its crumbling ruins, deciphering cryptic inscriptions and marveling at the remnants of a once great civilization. Amidst the ruins, they discovered a secret chamber, guarded by ancient guardians. With a combination of wit and bravery, they managed to unlock its secrets and revealed a long-lost prophecy foretelling the return of an ancient evil. Realizing the significance of their discovery, Amelia and her team knew they had to prevent the ancient evil from escaping the lost city and wreaking havoc on the world. Armed with ancient artifacts and newfound knowledge, they prepared for an epic showdown. They faced off against malevolent creatures, solving puzzles and deciphering ancient incantations to unlock their true potential. As the ancient evil unleashed its forces, Amelia and her team fought valiantly, protecting the fragile balance between light and darkness. In the final climactic battle, Amelia and her team managed to seal away the ancient evil, saving the world from certain doom. As they emerged victorious, they realized the importance of their journey extended beyond personal gain. The lost city held the keys to preserving history and unlocking the secrets of humanity's past. Amelia and her team returned to the world, sharing their findings and ensuring the preservation of the lost city's legacy. Their incredible adventure became a legend, inspiring future generations of explorers and archaeologists to uncover the wonders hidden beneath the sands of time. The lost city of shadows became more than just a story. It became a testament to the enduring spirit of discovery and the power of human determination in the face of the unknown.